Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to create this beautiful classic smoky eye. So if you'd like to see how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Sultry palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills because it has all the eyeshadows you need to create the perfect smoky eye. So I already have a little bit of concealer and translucent powder on my lid, and now I'm just applying fresh eyeshadow under my brow on my brow bone. Now I'm picking up Birch eyeshadow on the fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to blend this into the crease, the outer corners, and on the lower lash line. It's always good to start with a transition color no matter what look you're doing, because it's going to make it a lot easier to blend the darker colors later. Next I'm taking Dystopian, which is a darker brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this one in the same place I put the last shade, but I'm using the smaller side of the brush so I can be a little bit more precise with the application. You want this color to be more concentrated in the crease and blend up into the lighter brown shade. If you need to, you can go in with the blending brush side again and blend out any harsh edges. Now we're gonna go in with Noir eyeshadow, which is a super black eyeshadow, and I'm mostly gonna put this in the outer corners of my eyes. And just like I did before, I'm applying the eyeshadow with the smaller side of the brush, and then I'm blending it out with the fluffy side. For the lid, I'm going to use Cyborg, which is a beautiful silver shade, and because I really wanted to pop on the lid, I'm applying a little bit of this cream highlighter from Nabla Cosmetics as a base on the lid and in the inner corners. Then I'm just going to press on Cyborg on top of the highlighter, and you can see how pretty it looks. To highlight the inner corners, I'm using Pearl eyeshadow from the same palette. Here I'm just adding a little bit more of the dark brown eyeshadow shade Dystopian to blend between the black eyeshadow in the outer corners and the silver shade on the lid. This look is all about the blending, so we want to make sure that there's a soft transition between all the colors. Now it's time for liner, and I'm going to use my favorite black gel liner from Inglot, and I'm going to line the waterline and also tightline my top waterline with this one. A little trick that I like to do is apply some black eyeshadow and blend out the liner on the bottom lash line. I really think it makes a big difference, as you can see. You guys know I love to do a little inner corner wing, so that's what I'm doing here with the Fenty Beauty liquid liner. Then I'm going to go back in with the gel liner on an angle brush and apply along my upper lash line. And instead of doing a wing when I get towards the outer corners, I'm going to blend it out with some black eyeshadow so that it kind of fades into the black eyeshadow in the outer corners, if that makes sense. And I like to use a small pencil brush to do this, as you can see. Now I'm just going to finish off the look with some mascara and my favorite lashes from Feline Lashes in the style Russian Blue. Now moving on to the face, I'm going to apply some blush on my cheeks, and today I mixed these three shades from the Peachy Love Blush Trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then for my highlight, I use Savage from Nabla Cosmetics. For the lips, I applied my new favorite nude combo, which is Peachy Matte Lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nabla lip pencil in the shade Touch Me. And that is it for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye!